Shark numbers. The future of AI in data analytics. The rise of digital sharks in a data ocean. We are swimming in an ocean of data. Every tap on a screen, every online transaction, every medical record or GPS signal adds to a growing tidal wave of information. But raw data, like unrefined oil, has little value on its own. It needs intelligence, artificial intelligence, to unlock its true potential. This is where AI-driven data analytics enters, like a shark in the digital sea, fast, focused, and fiercely intelligent. AI analytics is more than a tool. It's an evolutionary leap in how we understand and act on information. It doesn't just analyze what happened, it anticipates what will happen and recommends what to do next. AI-driven data analytics is the convergence of big data, cloud computing, machine learning, and real-time decision-making. It provides a foundation for businesses and institutions to navigate complexity, manage uncertainty, and extract actionable insights from massive datasets. Welcome back to AI Expert Reviews. Today we'll explore how AI-powered analytics is transforming industries by diving into three high-impact sectors: finance, healthcare, and marketing. Get ready to meet the digital sharks redefining the rules of business in the age of data. Finance, the algorithms that eat risk for breakfast. Imagine a hedge fund where there are no human traders. Instead, AI bots analyze headlines, economic indicators, and even tweets, executing trades in milliseconds based on predictions no human could calculate in time. Welcome to Algorithmic Finance. What's happening? AI in finance is revolutionizing how money moves, how risks are assessed, and how fraud is detected. Machine learning models crunch vast volumes of market data to find patterns, make predictions, and detect threats all in real time. Key applications: algorithmic trading. Firms like Renaissance Technologies and 2 Sigma use AI to execute high-frequency trades with minimal latency, leveraging predictive analytics and reinforcement learning. These systems scan multiple global exchanges, model market reactions to news, and execute trades faster than humanly possible. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios provide fully automated financial advice. They use AI to assess client risk profiles, rebalance portfolios, and deliver long-term strategies, all with minimal fees. Fraud detection and anomaly alerts. AI systems at companies like MasterCard, PayPal, and Darktrace constantly monitor transactions to flag irregular behavior, detecting suspicious locations, rapid spending surges, or new device access that could indicate fraud. JP Morgan Chase's COIN contract intelligence. JP Morgan uses its COIN platform to analyze legal documents and extract critical data points. What once took 360,000 hours of lawyer time now takes seconds. HSBC employs AI for anti-money laundering, compliance by analyzing transaction flows and flagging suspicious patterns more effectively than rule-based systems. Benefits: lightning, fast decision-making, improved accuracy and efficiency in trading. Cost savings for institutions and investors. Enhanced risk management and compliance, ethical considerations. But there's a darker current below the surface. AI models trained on biased data can misjudge creditworthiness or unfairly flag transactions. Algorithmic trading can destabilize markets when models behave unpredictably, such as during flash crashes. Financial institutions must ensure transparency, fairness, and regulatory compliance in their AI systems. Explainable AI, auditability, and human oversight are essential safeguards. Healthcare, diagnosing disease before symptoms even appear. A woman walks into a hospital for a routine checkup. Her electronic health record is analyzed by an AI system that detects early markers of cancer before even a single symptom shows. Treatment begins early and her life is saved. This isn't science fiction. This is AI in modern medicine. What's happening? In healthcare, AI is enhancing diagnostics, streamlining operations, and making care more personalized than ever before. With every heartbeat recorded and every scan processed, AI models are learning to predict, prevent, and personalize medical treatment. Key applications: predictive analytics. Hospitals use AI to forecast disease outbreaks, predict hospital readmissions, and identify high-risk patients. For instance, the COVID-19 pandemic saw AI models used to track viral spread and predict ICU demand. AI-assisted radiology. Tools like AIDOC, Lunit, and Zebra Medical Vision help radiologists detect fractures, tumors, and anomalies in imaging scans with speed and precision. In many cases, they outperform human experts in detection consistency. Personalized medicine. AI platforms like IBM Watson Health and Tempus analyze genetic data to tailor treatment plans to the individual, improving outcomes for cancer patients and those with rare genetic conditions. Virtual health assistants. AI-powered chatbots now help triage patient symptoms, book appointments, and offer post-treatment guidance, reducing burden on human staff. Mayo Clinic partners with Google Cloud to apply AI for improving cancer diagnosis through precision imaging and predictive analytics. Apollo Hospitals, India, uses AI for preventive health screenings and early detection of conditions like heart disease and diabetes, especially in underserved rural areas. Babylon Health, a UK-based AI chatbot app that delivers 24/7 symptom checking, triage, and virtual consultations, drastically reducing patient load on hospitals. Benefits: early diagnosis and faster treatment, reduced medical errors and misdiagnosis, improved patient outcomes, efficient hospital resource management. Ethical considerations: healthcare data is deeply personal. Privacy concerns are paramount. Ethical use of AI means ensuring HIPAA compliance, anonymizing patient data, and avoiding racial or gender bias in diagnostic models. AI systems must be validated rigorously and regulated to ensure they complement, not replace, human judgment. Moreover, explainability in healthcare AI is crucial. Doctors must understand why a model made a particular recommendation before trusting its output in life and death situations. Marketing: knowing what you want. Before you do, ever wondered how Instagram knows what ad to show you right after you thought about it? That's not mind reading, it's AI-powered marketing analytics at work. What's happening? AI has redefined the marketer's toolkit. Brands no longer guess what customers want, they know, thanks to algorithms that decode human behavior faster than any focus group ever could. Key applications: customer segmentation. AI segments audiences based on browsing history, purchase patterns, and interaction timelines, allowing for campaigns tailored to highly specific user personas. Chatbots and conversational AI. Platforms like Drift, Intercom, and ChatGPT-based assistants engage users on websites, providing instant answers, booking demos, and suggesting personalized content. Ad optimization. Google Ads, Meta Ads, and Amazon use AI to dynamically generate ad creatives, test variations, and optimize ad spend based on real-time performance metrics. Content recommendation engines. Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube rely on AI to suggest the next song, movie, or video you're most likely to engage with, keeping you glued to their platform. Coca-Cola uses AI to develop new flavor concepts by analyzing social media trends and customer preferences across markets. Nike leverages AI to analyze purchasing behaviors, enabling the brand to launch hyper-targeted campaigns with personalized product recommendations. Flipkart, India, uses AI and ML for visual search, voice-based product queries, and dynamic pricing to enhance customer experience and boost conversions. Benefits: hyper-personalized user experiences, better engagement and conversion rates, reduced churn through targeted retention strategies, increased marketing ROI, ethical considerations. With great data comes great responsibility. AI-driven marketing raises serious concerns around surveillance, user manipulation, and privacy. Transparent data usage policies, opt-in consent, and regulatory compliance with GDPR and CCPA are vital to maintaining trust. Marketers must balance personalization with ethics, ensuring users feel understood, not watched. The future of AI in data analytics, riding the shark, not just surviving it. The next wave of AI in data analytics is already forming on the horizon, and it's more powerful and pervasive than ever. Emerging trends, real-time and edge analytics, smart sensors and edge devices are enabling AI to analyze data where it's generated on factory floors, in cars, or on wearable devices without needing to send it to the cloud. Explainable AI, XAI. As AI takes on more responsibility, businesses demand transparency. XAI helps us understand why a model made a certain prediction, boosting trust and accountability in regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Multimodal AI. The next generation of analytics will process data across formats: text, images, audio, and video simultaneously. This enables holistic understanding of customer feedback, medical scans, and financial news feeds. Human-AI collaboration. AI isn't replacing humans, it's augmenting them. Future workplaces will see analysts and executives working side by side with AI co-pilots to test strategies, assess risk, and make better decisions. Looking ahead. The demand for skilled professionals in AI analytics, data scientists, data engineers, and AI ethicists is skyrocketing. Tools like Microsoft Power BI, Tableau with integrated ML, and Python frameworks like scikit-learn and TensorFlow are becoming standard. Businesses that succeed will be those that treat data not as a byproduct, but as an asset, and use AI to extract its full value. AI is no longer just crunching numbers. It's learning, predicting, and acting often faster and more accurately than we ever could. But the real power lies in combining that intelligence with human creativity, ethics, and empathy. In this new ocean of opportunity, those who master AI analytics won't just swim, they'll lead the pack like apex predators. Thank you for exploring shark numbers with us. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay sharp. And don't forget to watch AI expert reviews.